Hello and welcome to a new video. On this video, you will learn a few common phrases we use in Spanish around this season, the holiday season, Christmas, New Year. So if you have friends or family and you're going to be around them these holidays, you can use them and practice with them. Let's start. The first one is a very typical Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Merry Christmas. Navidad is Christmas. Feliz is happy, so it's like Happy Christmas, Merry Christmas. The same way we say Feliz Año Nuevo. Feliz Año Nuevo. Happy New Year. Don't forget, in Spanish, adjective follows the noun normally. So Año Nuevo, New Year, year new. So Feliz Año Nuevo, Happy Year New, Happy New Year. When we say both at the same time, we don't normally say Feliz Navidad y Feliz Año Nuevo. We don't say Feliz twice. We sometimes say Feliz Navidad y Próspero Año Nuevo. Feliz Navidad y Próspero Año Nuevo. The meaning is the same. It's just Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. In English, you don't have the problem because you say Merry and Happy. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. So you don't have the problem. In Spanish, we don't like to say Feliz twice. So we change Happy New Year, Feliz Año Nuevo, to Próspero Año Nuevo. Same meaning. Now, if you want to say Feliz Navidad y Feliz Año Nuevo, that's fine. It's completely okay, right? Or you can just say Felices Fiestas. Felices Fiestas. Happy holidays. Fiestas in Spanish not only means parties, it means holidays. Like when we say mañana es fiesta, it means tomorrow is a holiday. It's not a party. It depends on the context. Now, you might need to go to somebody else's house, and it's always nice to pay them a compliment about the house and the decorations. So you can say, for example, La casa está preciosa. La casa está preciosa. The house looks beautiful. The house looks gorgeous. Or, bonito árbol de Navidad. Bonito árbol de Navidad. Beautiful Christmas tree. Árbol de Navidad is the Christmas tree. You can also say something like, me encanta la decoración. Me encanta la decoración. I love the decorations. Or, qué bonitas las luces. Qué bonitas las luces. The lights are beautiful because normally people use lights to decorate their homes for Christmas. Everybody likes a good compliment when you visit. But what they love even more is if you bring some wine or some dessert. That's better than a compliment. Now, you might also want to talk to children about Santa and the presents and stuff. So you can say something like, ¿Tienes la carta para Papá Noel? ¿Tienes la carta para Papá Noel? Do you have the letter for Santa Claus? Papá Noel is Santa Claus in Spanish. Papá Noel in Spain, at least. I don't know in other countries. And normally here in Spain, kids prepare a letter with all the things they want to give to Santa, Papá Noel, with the list of presents that they want. You can also say, Esta noche viene Papá Noel. Esta noche viene Papá Noel. Santa Claus is coming tonight. They get very excited. You can tell them, pon leche y galletas. Pon leche y galletas. Put out some milk and cookies. We do that too in Spain. And sometimes we put also like water for the reindeer. This is not something we do in my house, but I think it's a tradition in many other houses. Cuelga tu calcetín. Cuelga tu calcetín. Hang your stocking. Again, we don't do that in my house, but I understand it's a tradition in many other places. In my house, we don't even get the presents under the tree. We get Santa to visit us after dinner on the night of the 24th. After dinner, Santa comes to our house and he hands us all the presents personally. I know, VIP service. We are a very nice family. You can also ask the children, ¿Has sido bueno? ¿Has sido bueno? Have you been good? Have you been nice? Or, ¿Has sido malo? Has sido malo. You have been bad. Or, ¿Has sido un poco travieso? Has sido un poco travieso or traviesa. You have been a little bit naughty. If they have been naughty, you can say, te va a traer carbón. Te va a traer carbón. He's gonna bring you coal. I don't know in other countries, but in Spain, if you have been naughty, you get a lump of coal. It's usually candy coal, but still, kids hate it when you tell them that. You can ask the children too, ¿Qué has pedido? ¿Qué has pedido? What did you ask for? And the next day you can ask, ¿Qué te trajo Papá Noel? ¿Qué te trajo Papá Noel? What did Santa bring you? And they would probably say, muchas cosas. Muchas cosas. Many things, a lot of things. Normally when they wake up and see everything, they say, hay muchos regalos. Hay muchos regalos. There are a lot of presents, and they always look very excited. And when they look at the presents, they might say something like, justo lo que quería. Justo lo que quería. Just what I wanted. Exactly what I wanted. Then, moving on to the New Year's Eve, we normally don't have cuenta atrás. Cuenta atrás. Countdown. In Spain, we don't have that. We have las 12 campanadas. Las 12 campanadas. The 12 bell rings, bell tolls. So at 12 at midnight, we don't do a countdown. We have a clock with a bell in Madrid, and we watch on television. And at 12, the bells of that clock ring 12 times. And that's how we move on to the next year. No countdown. And then we have to eat las 12 uvas. Las 12 uvas, the 12 grapes. We have a tradition in Spain that every time you hear one bell, you have to eat one grape. So you eat 12 grapes. And then if you do it on time, you will have good luck next year. It's harder than it sounds because the bells are quite fast. It's like ding, 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 and it's 12. So by the end, you have the mouth full of grapes. Some people choke. So if you're going to try for the first time in Spain, be careful. After you finish your grapes, if you are still alive and well, somebody says, pide un deseo. Pide un deseo. Make a wish. We don't use the verb hacer, to make. We use the verb pedir, to ask for, because we ask for a wish, we don't make it. So pide un deseo. Then after the bells, saca el cava. Saca el cava. Bring out the cava. Cava is like a Spanish champagne. Or you can say, saca el champán. It's just the drink we use after the bells to make a toast, which in Spanish is, vamos a brindar. Vamos a brindar. Or, hacemos un brindis. Hacemos un brindis. Let's toast. Let's make a toast. We also say, saca el turrón. Saca el turrón. Bring out the turrón. I'm not sure it's nougat. In English, I'm not sure my pronunciation is right. It's like a Christmas sweet, turrón. I think it's nougat. Usually with almonds, chocolate. We have a soft one as well, different flavors. And it's something we eat during the Christmas season. I don't know if this is something that is done in other countries. If you do, please let me know in the comments because I'm curious to know if this is something that you guys know or it's something that is happening only here in Spain. Turrón. Then we normally talk about propósitos de año nuevo. Propósitos de año nuevo. New Year's resolutions, which usually last for a month until February. And normally we have two main ones. Este año voy a ir al gimnasio. Este año voy a ir al gimnasio. This year I'm going to the gym. And number two, este año empiezo la dieta. Este año empiezo la dieta. This year I'm starting the diet. Both of them are lies. Then somebody says, yo solo quiero salud. Yo solo quiero salud. I just want good health. Which as an adult is the best thing you can wish for. It's between that and a PlayStation 5. And then people say things like, ha sido un gran año. Ha sido un gran año. It's been a great year. Or, qué rápido pasa el tiempo. Qué rápido pasa el tiempo. Time goes by so fast. Or, el tiempo vuela. El tiempo vuela. Time flies. Alright, that's all for today. Let me know in the comments your Christmas traditions, the ones that we share and the ones that are different from Spain, because I'm really interested to know how you guys celebrate and what traditions you have in your countries. And all I can say now is felices fiestas a todos, happy holidays to everyone, y nos vemos el próximo año. And I will see you next year. Hasta luego!